So today we're talking about abrasions. Now, I don't know if you can see this right here. See, that right there is actually in the glass, and that's damage that was done by the installer. So what happened was this right here was broken. They had a hailstorm in Wickenburg, Arizona. This was replaced, and he got a bunch of glue, this stuff right here, on the glass, and when he tried to get it off, he's actually the one that did that, and we had to talk to the customer and tell her. So the adhesive that he used is really nasty. It's some up here, there's some on here. We did get some of it off, but what I realized was that in order to get it off, we were gonna have to pull out some big guns, and we didn't have the stuff. So we left and said we'll come back. So what we're gonna show is there is some damage to the glass. There's actually quite a bit of damage to the glass. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it off without damaging the glass any further.